И собаки все убежали. Один отстрелялся, потом второй. О, там их сколько. Вот второй полетит.
Ukraine has allegedly launched an attack against Russian oil depots in the Russian city of Belgorod. Video footage shows alleged Ukrainian helicopters flying over Belgorod and then suddenly attacking the oil depots with missiles. The damage of the oil attack could likely be in the billions of dollars. If Ukraine continues to launch these kind of attacks on Russian oil depots, they could seriously damage the already crippled Russian economy. Russia has been launching a brutal invasion of Ukraine. However, the Russian attack has been a disaster for Russia, and their forces have lost tens of thousands of soldiers killed and wounded. And now Ukraine has launched counter-offensives in the Kyiv, Kherson, and northern regions. Russia is also starting to launch fierce attacks in the Donbass region. However, Ukrainian President Zelensky has stated that the Ukrainians are ready, and as we've seen already, when the Ukrainians say they are ready, we can bet they are ready. Be sure to subscribe for more breaking news. God bless.